Welcome back to Tennessee Frugal Craftsman on a lovely Saturday afternoon here in eastern Tennessee. I've got another 20'4" log up on the mill, and I thought maybe you'd like to come along for a little bit of milling. Well, I don't know whether you saw that. Obviously it was on camera. You know, those Wood Mizer Doublehard blades work well. But I haven't got that. That's a brand new blade. I haven't got that many hours on it. Got a new belt. New belts on it. Everything's tight. Even put new bearings on the follower wheels. And that thing broke right on the weld. And that is about 60 to probably closer to 80-90% of all of those blades that I've got. That's where they break, is right on the weld. So there's something going on with the way they weld those, because that blade was not dull. I only had 4 or 5 hours on it, maybe 5 max. I wasn't pushing it that hard. That's clear pine, so there's nothing in there that would create problems for that blade. And yet here we are, broken blade. Anyway, I'll be back. I gotta put a new one on. Okay, other than I've got a couple boards here to edge and a couple short pieces, I got 5 rafters out of that. Now some of them I'm seeing, they're the first that I've had that had any sweeps in them. Now obviously when they're on their edge on a roof, that'll come out of it when I board it up. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rafters. So I'm going to roll up. There's a bunch more of this scruffy stuff, but that 10-foot is a decent one. I may bring you along for 1 or 2 more. So I'll be back. 3 more 2x6 by 10'6", and probably 3 more boards and a few pieces. I'm going to stack this lumber and then edge these boards. I'll be back. Okay, let's do the last one of the evening. Okay, I got 3 more 2x6 and 3 boards here I'm going to edge out. I am getting pretty close to the amount of studding I need for the garage. I need about between 65 and 75, and I think I'm pushing about 50 or more right now, 50, 55. So probably about 3 or 4 more logs, or studs, logs that'll make studs, sorry, will finish the garage material. I've also got some 2x4s in there. But anyway, we're one day closer, or should I say 1 log closer. I've still got a fair amount of smalls here. You know, they're 4, 6 inches size. I don't want to throw them away. I'll make them into some boards, maybe get a stud or 2 out of each one before I get over to that one there, which is the butt cut, which should be clear, 7'4". I'm going to try to get some material for door stock, and I've got a 16-footer here, and then just a bunch of, well, garbage. A couple here. These 2 might be able to get some studs out of, but these here, I don't know. I may bring you along for that on another day, but anyway, that's where I'm at. As always, I appreciate you joining me. If you would, please like and subscribe. this summer. There'll be lots of videos coming out. I know you're really busy and people are doing things in the summer, so I appreciate you joining me and staying with me. The plan is to do a video probably one every other day or so. I know it's the summer and you got lots to do, so I always appreciate you joining me. If you would continue to watch, tell others, please like and subscribe, and until next time, as always, you have a great day.